People's ways of making a living are changing quickly. Every year, we see more and more people take on online jobs in some way. So, here's a fun fact. An amazing 59 million Americans worked on their own last year and made a total of nearly $1.2 trillion. If you want to get away from the 9 to 5 grind or just make some extra cash, online jobs you can do from home may be a good choice for you. In this video, I'll take you to some of the best online jobs in and around the world. Hope you find something that grabs your attention. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and that little notification bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our video updates. Plus, it helps us spread the Thrive Wise love to help more people thrive wisely. Now, let's begin. Number 1. Social media marketing. If you know how to run campaigns in social media sites like Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, you could sign up to help businesses promote their products on these sites. Companies may also need help managing comments, growing their community, and improving their social selling efforts. You can start taking on clients right away if you can add your own voice and creativity to post by making shareable videos or funny GIFs. The best thing about social media marketing is that you don't always need to have it done before starting. It is a great way to start a job online. The good thing about this job is that you can do it anywhere. All you have to do is learn the voice of the brand and make sure you reach your goal for the company. Number 2. Online tutor. Do you know how many people in the US work as online tutors? Neither do I. This is because there are too many to keep track of. This could be a great job for you if you have a background in English or any other language, physics, or math. Make sure this is taken care of before you apply, since most companies and job sites require instructors to have a bachelor's degree. If you have teaching credentials in ESL or any other subject, your chances of getting a job as an online teacher might go up. Online teaching jobs are a common way to make money, whether you work full-time or part-time. There is a huge need for information, and you can teach students all over the world with the help of the internet. Number 3. Virtual assistant. If you've ever wondered if you could get an online job with just basic skills, becoming a virtual assistant or VA could be a good choice. You can make a lot of money by doing simple office jobs like answering emails and taking phone calls. The best thing about VA jobs is that you can work as much or as little as you want. This makes them perfect for people who are busy or may not have much time to work because of other obligations. Number 4. Personal trainer. If you like working out and know how to do it right, you might want to think about applying for online personal training jobs. You can train anyone, anytime, and anywhere with online coaching, which means you can take on more clients. You can choose to train people in groups or one-on-one over Zoom and Skype. As a personal trainer, anyone can work, but it's best to have a certificate from a local university or an online program. You can grow your business and train customers from all over the world using social media and online coaching platforms. You can also quickly grow your business by getting clients from the internet, especially through word of mouth. Oh, and by the way, people who work as personal trainers get paid pretty well. Depending on how well known you are, a personal session could cost $70. Number 5. Email marketer. If people have told you that you have a way with words, you might be good at writing emails to clients that are short and interesting. Email marketing involves making subject lines and email content that are interesting. In order to make money online, businesses will spend a lot of money on email marketing campaigns. Email marketing is not just about sending emails to random people. It is also about converting them into potential customers. For this job, you do need experience and credentials, especially in the areas of content creation and marketing. You can try to get a long-term contract to do email marketing for businesses if you can show that you can get people to open or read the emails you send. Number 6. Online recruiter. Recruiters used to only work in offices, but now you can be an online recruiter and do your job at home. Your main jobs will be to post job openings and look for people who might want to work for your company. Some companies may also ask you to do the first phone interview. This is so you can screen applicants ahead of time and send only the best ones to the right manager at the company. Number 7. Data entry worker. Data entry jobs are a common way to make money from home, either as part-time or full-time jobs. Your job will require you to put data into a system that uses letters, numbers, or symbols. Even though this kind of online work might not sound very fun, you could make a good wage if you work quickly. Also, you can do data entry jobs whenever you want as long as you have Microsoft Excel or Microsoft Word. If you do this job on a large enough scale and are creative, you could make a good living out of this. Number 8. Content writer. There are literally thousands of online jobs for content writers. If you are a good writer, you will not only have a lot of chances, but also a lot of choices. For example, you could write content for a number of blogs, magazines, journals, and so on. Freelance writing can also be very lucrative because there is a high demand for writers as companies create content for their audiences. You will, however, need experience writing content or doing marketing and a strong interest in the topic. If you know a lot about technology, you might want to make more money as a freelance technical writer in the IT field. Okay, we're about halfway through this video, so I'd like you to help me out in some way. Immediately pause this video and please do me a huge favor by clicking like, and if you are new, kindly click subscribe. If you did, you're great, and we really appreciate your help. Rest assured we'll bring you more videos that will help you thrive wisely. And going back. Number 9. Transcriptionist. Transcriptionists may be a good choice for people who want to work from home but don't have a lot of experience or training. Your job will be to listen to audio recordings and type them out word for word. Anyone can do this work, but it's a lot easier if you can type quickly and pay close attention to details. Not many people want to be transcriptionists because it can be hard to do for long periods of time. But it can be a steady source of income for people of all skill levels if they can type very quickly. Number 10. Customer Service Representative. A lot of customer service agents work from home these days. People who are good at writing and talking on the phone and in person have a lot of options. Now, if you do decide to work as a customer service agent, you should know that you'll probably have to go through weeks of training that's specific to the brand before you can actually do any work. This is so you can learn more about the company, such as how they handle certain questions, and you will be able to pick your own schedule from a variety of shifts throughout the day. This job could be for you if you like talking to people and have a quiet place to take phone calls. Number 11. Graphic designer. If you have a good eye for design, you could do well as a graphic designer. If you have experience in design, working as a graphic designer online can be a good way to make money and grow your business. A key skill for graphic designers to have is to have a strong understanding of how to use Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop. Many companies hire graphic designers to help them make marketing campaigns, redesign parts of their website, and do other things. Number 12. Chat agents. If you already spend hours texting on your phone, being a chat agent is the perfect job for you. Like customer service representatives, chat agents don't need a lot of specialized skills to start their job. An online chat agent is a great alternative to a customer service representative if you don't like talking to strangers. Chat agents will work online to provide customer service to companies through text-based chat options. Most of the time, you'll be in charge of many conversations at once for many hours. If you don't have a private office or spend a lot of time in front of a computer, becoming a chat agent could be a good fit for you. Number 13. Bookkeeper. Have you always been interested in money? Or do you like keeping track of your own money? If so, you should think about accounting. Most businesses need bookkeepers to help them keep track of and manage their finances. Bookkeepers do things like send out bills to customers, keep track of income, and make financial reports. Number 14. Photographer. Most people would say that stock photography isn't an online job because it has to be done in person. But that's not the whole truth. If you have pictures on your hard drive that you don't use, you could sell them online, assuming you didn't break the contract. You can look through your archives and sell the photos online. You can sell your photos on the internet at places like iStock and others. Number 15. Proofreader. Do you have a knack for grammar? Can you spot mistakes and fix sentences that don't make sense on the spot? You might be a good fit for the job of a proofreader. As a proofreader, you'll have to check all kinds of content like emails, blog posts, business documents, and more. Basically, you'll be a set of eyes for publishers and help them make content that looks more elegant and professional. Well, that's basically the 15 online career jobs this 2023 that you can choose from. And thank you guys so much for watching today's video. And hey, it seems that YouTube thinks that the next video can completely transform your financial situation. Watch it and find out whether they're correct. And please don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos on how to thrive wisely. Till next time.